I'm Leigh Brown with One Community Real Estate, and welcome back to my Spotlight on Local Business. Today, I'm in Luck Factory Games, and it's right down here in the basement at Gibson Mill Plaza, where you thought there was just a food court and great antique mall, but this is also a place where you can spend time with friends and family. Now, what do they do here? Well, for $8 a person, you heard me right, $8 a person, you can come in and choose from over 1,000 board games and sit and enjoy your friends and family. Now, maybe you're tired of the same old, you're tired of your device and really would like to spend time with your humans in person. This is the place to do it. You can pick anything, any skill level, learn something new, try an old favorite, and maybe you're looking for that wonderful gift for somebody. They also sell board games in here. Now, everything is by reservation only because, as you can see, it is packed to the gills here, but that's okay because it's good for you to be a planner. And maybe you want a snack or a drink while you're playing. They sell all of that in here while you're playing your games. Luck Factory Games, it is by reservation only. Check the hours on the website. And remember this, if you want to have a thriving economy right here in Cabarrus County, come support locally owned businesses like Luck Factory Games. And by the way, High Branch Brewing is right outside, so you can support more than one business at a time. I'll see you around, and we'll take care of each other, which is what we're supposed to do.